Hey everybody, it's Gail and I am here today to show you how to start attaching belting to your crochet projects. So belting is exactly what it sounds like. It is fabric that is used to make belts. It's a woven fabric, and the point of it is that it has no stretch to it because it's not supposed to. And so when you put it onto the waistband of your crochet projects, it's going to keep your waistband from stretching. And this is especially important if you're dealing with a heavy project such as this giant skirt that I'm dealing with. The way I started this out was I came over to one side of my waistband here and I put my belting in at about a quarter to half an inch to the inside of the starting place. And then I just used bobby pins to put it where I want it because I don't like getting stabbed with sewing pins. And I lined it up under the first row of stitches on the waistband itself so that it will stay hidden when I wear it. And then I just worked my way across using those bobby pins as I went to secure it well enough that I can come in with a needle and thread later and actually sew it into place. Oh, that's actually rather wide. Oh well. Couple of things. One thing, you want to make sure that your belting is the same width or similar to your waistband so you don't get any overlap or get any weird bulges. It is really perfectly fitted for this waistband, I'm happy to say. And the other thing is, at the end of the waistband, I have kept it a little longer than it needs to be, just in case I need a little extra at the end, because it will be easy to clip this down to size, and I won't. And since it doesn't stretch, I don't want to have to try to stretch it to size. The other thing I recommend, the reason that I left this little bit here available is because I'm going to be putting a zipper in right there, and I don't want to overlap it too much because I don't want it to get bulky or crowded right at the zipper line. So I'm going to go and get to work on actually sewing this into place. I will be hand sewing because I've never met a sewing machine that gets along with me. And I will be using the back stitch, which is a very strong stitch. If you don't hand sew and have never hand sewed, there are great tutorials here on YouTube to show you how to do that. Of course, if you're using a sewing machine, you probably already know what you're doing and you don't need further advice from me. So that is how you start getting belting into your crochet projects so that your waistbands stay in shape.